Hi guys, it's Rachel here, and it's very late. It's time actually to go and cook din din. I just wanted to pop on and say I didn't get my video done today. I've still been battling with FedEx, and I feel a little bit fragile. So I think I cried for about 4 hours yesterday because I had a very unpleasant phone call from a FedEx lady in Brussels, and she wasn't very nice, and I had to redo all of the pro forma invoices. It was just it was an SHIT show. Let's just say that I've spent like 4 hours doing that, then another 3 hours this morning emailing it to all the addresses, and she gave me the wrong address and I was in tears because I didn't know how to contact her. And anyway, it's just been a mess. What you will see, those of you who are waiting for your orders, is that they are clearing customs. I'm going to cry. They are clearing customs and getting on the airplane and going on a trip. So I'm really pleased about that. The jury is out whether I will use them again. I did deliver some yesterday because they were bigger ones, and I'm going to prepare all the stuff like what I had to do today for them, because they'll complain about those ones as well. And I just find it astounding that, you know, there's all these issues for my little products. Like, honestly, I'm not, you know, shipping gold. But anyway, I just want to let you know, I'm going to do my Oh, I hurt my knee. I'm not sitting properly on my chair. I just put this here. Maybe I'll flip through while I'm talking to you. I'm going to do my video tomorrow. I have my Roxy's Journal of Stitchery. Look, I even pulled my stuff out. I have my Roxy's Journal of Stitchery tomorrow, and I will also, that goes up earlier in the day. So later in the day, you will have my what's in my box. So I do apologize. Actually, you see that in my digitals, that one. I just love it. So I kept it. Anyway, yeah, so I just wanted to give you an update really on the shipping dramarama, and I can tell you what, I didn't sleep, tears, puffy eyes, headache, just, you know, mortified about the whole thing, wishing that they, I'm not even going to, can't even get angry with the man that, or, you know, kind of got me into doing the FedEx thing, because I don't think he knew about all this stuff. He should know, in my opinion, because I don't think that you should have people open accounts and then not, you know, have them prepared for all the things that they need to have. Totally different process to the other courier company that I used. Well, that one was attached to the post office, so I guess maybe they had a different clearance level. I don't know. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know things are on the move, and they will arrive in a timely fashion. There are some that have been sitting there for 2.5 weeks. Those ones I would say are not in the time frame of the post office, but the ones after that are still within the time frame of what they would have arrived if they were sent by the post. Mostly, sometimes the post is super fast. So that's, you know, haven't taken necessarily longer, except for a few. So that's good. But yeah, very disappointing experience with FedEx, and I may try one order, and after I clear all of these, and see how that goes. And if it goes okay with all the instructions they've now given me, I will use them for, you know, I just would like a proper tracking for things, you know, where someone spent a little bit more, or it's just a bigger thing, or there's things that I can't really replace. Like I would substitute it with something else, but sometimes I would book, I might not have any more. Sometimes I maybe had multiple volumes, but most of the time I might only have one. And you know, like if I those sorts of things I would like to ship with the tracking. So I will try one order so that I don't get really stressed about having multiple. And I had a lot there. It took me a long time to sort it all out, but just because, you know, like the fabrics have come in, and there's been a large volume of ordering and stuff, and it was supposed to make my life easier, and I've literally been living and breathing FedEx. So anyway, please forgive me, guys. You'll get 2 videos tomorrow. Not everybody watches the stitchy videos, but there will be 2 videos tomorrow, and I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I think things are looking up. I don't want to say it. I take it back. I want to say that. I'm going to jinx myself. Anyway, Thank you so much for your patience, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.